Happy Halloween, motherfucker! Halloween sale, 20% off the entire site. If you're on their limited edition email list, we'll give you a 5% discount code on top, so 25% off. Blood core's on theme for Halloween. We've even got some orange-like colors of leathers. It starts on the 31st today, all the way to the 3rd. 20 to 25% off the entire site. Halloween sale. Cool unboxing day, me and Sam, because we got our first skate project in the works. Somewhat skate. It's not officially like a skate sneaker.
Skateable.
But that's kind of like the whole idea of this shoe. So we got prototype number 1, mystery bag, 6-hour knife. So, start with the knife. We've already unboxed this one once. So, made by Iconic. This is the 6-hour edition, so they partnered up with 6-hour. And look at this knife. Cool. That thing's sick.
That is cool.
And it feels like it's as precise as like a gun. That's why I'm hyped about it.
Whoa,
doesn't that feel good?
That's super satisfying.
So, first, Sam, why don't you tell the people kind of the backstory of this collaboration, how it all came to be, and then we'll show them the first sample, then do the unboxing and kind of show them what the final pair looks like.
All right, short and condensed version. Jamie Thomas, the pro skateboarder who you probably know from Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 through 4, etc. Started Zero Skateboards. He launched a new shoe company called Warsaw, which is like, I thought it was skate shoes, and he said it's like shoes you can skate in. They're really good skate shoes. We cut them in half on the channel. One of the top 3, I think, that I've ever done. Cool. Super nice. Actually uses really good materials. This whole thing was like, we actually use premium materials, and it turns out they do, and they were really good. So he got in contact with us and was like, hey, do you guys want to do a collab? And we're like, yep. That would be sick. And so he had this concept going.
Yeah, like, what was like the original concept? It's kind of like, it's not a skate sneaker, but it's a shoe that you could skate in, but it's just as universal for skating as it is for casual wear, as it is for light hikes, as it is for like anything you want to do in a sneaker that you can also skate in.
Yeah.
Is that kind of the angle of it?
I think so. It's like you go anywhere, do anything, sneaker from, like anything, and you can skate in it too. Like it'll hold up really well skating.
Because I've got tons of like skate buds that they've worn their skate shoes for everything. It's kind of the, at least for like when I was younger, like, oh yeah, I wear my Vans hiking, I wear this, I wear that, and then like their soles fall apart, and you're like, okay, but you've lost all utility of a shoe now that you're basically walking around with holes in your shoes. Like, me as a non-skater, I want a beefed up skate shoe for not skating because it still rolls in the aesthetic and like all the attributes of a skate shoe, just beefier. What is it you like about this whole concept?
I just like it as like...
From a skater, like, because like I'm not the skater.
I guess
I'm just
true.
a regular dude that wants this as a non-skater, but you being a similar age to me, like what is it you like about this?
So I feel like as a skater, I only wear skate shoes. That's it for everything. It's like, oh, I have my nice skate shoes that I don't wear skating and my skate shoes that I destroy. It's sick. It's like the perfect sneaker. It's like your upgraded skate sneaker that's not going to fall apart after like 6 months.
Yeah.
It's hard to put it through the lens because like before I worked here, I didn't care about leather. And I was like, well, there's whatever. But now I'm here, I'm like, well, this is obviously what we want to do, but no company's going to do this because it's going to be more expensive. And it's like all the things in this shoe, like the pig leather lining.
Oh, I forgot it has a pigskin lining.
It's like pig leather lining, the insole's lined with leather. It's like has all these little upgrades that's like, if you're a little like 14-year-old skater punk kid and your mom's buying you shoes every like couple weeks, it's like you're probably not going to go for this. But like if you're older and know more and like want something nicer and you're actually going to feel that it's nicer and like appreciate it, this is the perfect one for you.
So is this what we unbox next?
Yeah, we can. We can go quick on this one, but just thought it deserved some time.
All right.
Don't cut me.
I always make Tay so nervous.
I say don't cut it, but don't cut me. Sorry, I'll just comp.
Yeah, we pay into that every month. We might as well.
Someone's gotta use it.
Yeah, someone's gonna use it.
Stab me.
What is it? Warsaw.
Also nice wrap.
Okay. Pants.
Ooh, skate pants.
Hell yeah. So he's doing pants too.
Yeah, Warsaw's sick because they also do a whole bunch of apparel. Like I have that cardigan that they sent, and it was really nice. And these pants are cool because he was like, he's marketing it as like the best skate pants, maybe skate chinos specifically. And I was like, well, you should definitely send a pair, and we'll have a pair on deck for all of the editors to wear. And the shoes look really good, and they're really good. I like them.
It's a nice twill fabric.
It's like I think they're stretched. So there's like 97% cotton, 3% elastic. So like, especially when you're skating, you want pants that flex with you, or else. I was telling my wife, I was like, if my pants don't fit the perfect way, I will never wear them. Because if I can't skate in them, they're gonna sit at the bottom of the drawer.
That's fair.
Because same way with shoes, right? It's like you only have skate shoes, I only have skate pants.
Right.
For everything. Cool
Pants,
brand.
Chinos. Now,
Not a ton of branding.
since this is mostly your project, Sandy.
Wait, you should unbox it because
okay.
I opened it earlier because I thought it was different, something different.
Oh, really? So you got it spoiled?
I got a little spoiled because there's some cool things in here that I think you're gonna like.
Okay.
That I was like, this is sick, and then
Yeah, this is
I
mostly
spoiled it for myself.
this is mostly Sam's project. Like Sam's been spearheading this whole thing. Like Sam's the one that's been like getting into the skate industry, lining up all the interviews with New Balance and with Asics. That's where we got to know some of the cool skaters we know now. So this is a lot of Sam's project. See, Sam.
See?
Hope you love these as much as I do. Love Jamie.
You're not even mentioned.
Didn't even mention me, Jamie. Come on. That's all right.
It has been
Oh, dang! Look at that.
sick.
Wow, that looks so good with the little Warsaw down there.
Yeah,
What the heck?
nice bounce. Shout out to, I think he did that, so I think it looks good.
All right. Even though you didn't put me on the letter, I forgive you. I forgive you, Jamie Thomas.
But it's cool. I
Dang,
like it. Turned out
that's
cool.
sick.
It is kind of sick to see it like on an actual shoebox. 'Cause I
Yeah.
don't think we've ever had done
This
anything
might-
with a shoebox.
This literally might be the first time we've had our logo on a shoebox.
See, cool.
That's pretty sick.
Firsts. Rose Anvil
It
firsts.
feels right. It just feels right.
It does feel good.
Get out of here. That is so sick. Oh my gosh.
I didn't even think about that. That's really cool.
I'm hyped about it. I designed this logo with my roommate and like two of my friends that were in graphic design school. And when I was like 24, and we finished it in like the McDonald's parking lot. And now it's like,
Shout out to the Logan McDonald's,
Yeah.
the place where dreams are made.
okay, moment of truth. Ooh, and the freaking man
See?
got me hyped. Okay. Ooh, dang.
They
Look
do
at
look
that.
sick.
Okay, show them the differences.
All right.
Explain to us.
So we got the differences.
What
Where's this
changed?
original one? Well, the biggest differences are instead of like that and that being separate, we just have the full line of foxing, which I think will make it way more durable anyway. I've seen it on all the skate shoes. We've got, when you have higher foxing, it makes the shoe last way longer. Yeah, and you can see it in that chapter mid, that first cut in half of the white shoe, it lasted forever. I skated it for so long because I was like, this is a fluke, that it's not going through. So I kept skating it for like a month, and it was like barely starting to go through after
Wow.
a month. And I think that's super high. This is even higher than that. It's like twice as high as that one. I think that's really the only difference.
Well, the cool thing about that too is that foxing wraps up so far that when you like flex this and stuff, no matter what, it's vulcanized, and so you're gonna have some separation somewhere at some point during the lifetime of these. But with that wrapped up so much higher, you got a lot more surface area, and then that flexing doesn't necessarily happen right at the point of the rubber because that foxing is so tall, it almost compresses with it. And so I think, I don't know for sure, but I think it's gonna help prevent delamination too. So for even like a non-skating perspective, like if you have that, that's like 2 inches of foxing.
I know, it's chunky. It looks
Yeah.
huge. It looks sick. I think the upper is also, it's Crazy Horse and it's treated with waterproof.
Oh, cool.
So it's like super good fall sneaker. Well, another cool thing, because this one didn't have an insole in it, we got the insole, if I can get it out. I also really like these insoles that he does. They're like super dense foam.
Okay.
But it's also really nice leather, and I think we're gonna have that same logo embossed.
Sweet.
Or debossed. Let me see what he said here. Should I just read all of the details?
Sure.
So we got Crazy Horse oiled full grain leather with polyurethane water resistant coating and a supple pig leather lining. And one thing about the pig leather that I actually like if you're wearing it with a sock, it kind of like grabs onto your sock, but you think that would be bad, but I really liked it because I feel like it like sticks your foot in there, especially when you're
Right.
skating. I think in a 9 Club interview he talked about how he wears his shoes with no socks. And so he's like, I really wanted a nice leather thing in there. I was
Right.
like, that's gnarly. That's too gnarly for me. But it's a cool touch. Like my friend Austin, who you've seen skating in the background of some shoes, really liked that. He's like likes shoes that like hold your foot in there, and I think I agree with that.
That makes sense.
Other things, we have a tongue gusset in there.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I don't know if this one's gusseted or not, actually. Oh yeah, this one's not gusseted, and that one is gusseted. to
Yeah,
add
I
to
think
the-
that was one of ours. So like, if you're gonna make this a hiking shoe, we gotta have at least some gusset in there.
That's a pretty solid gusset.
Yeah,
for a
that goes
sneaker.
high. Nice. Hell yeah, I didn't know he's actually gonna do that. And it's like a nice. It's the same Crazy Horse leather, just skived down.
What else we got? Increased foxing tape height, rubber heel counter for support and stability. Red checked poly laces for that old school hiking boot aesthetic.
This does look good.
Which is true. I think everyone, like, Skylar saw them and was like, these
Yeah.
are sick. It's like the perfect Skylar shoe.
Yeah, they kind of look like they are. It's like almost like you took a Danner mountain boot and combined it with a skate shoe. Because it is kind of like lace to toe. It's whole cut. You got the big. That is really kind of what it is. Is you're combining like a mountain boot with a skate shoe.
What else we got? Tumbled full grain nubuck sock liner on a premium polyurethane insole with debossed Rose Anvil X Warsaw insignia. Only 350 pairs made. What else do we need to do in this? I don't even know. I'm hyped on these shoes just looking at them.
I know. I'm afraid that we're too hyped. People are like, solo. And I'm like, we're just freaking hyped, bro. Okay, it's cool. It's a cool project.
I'm excited to see how these age.
Yeah.
Especially like if you're skating them and like all these nice leathers that get skated, I think look really cool.
Yeah, and this basically is like a heritage boot leather. This looks almost identical to the stuff that Seidel makes. So pretty cool project. You know, it's one of these projects that's a lot more in your wheelhouse than mine. And so you've been kind of the main designer and like lead on this project. I've just kind of come in and like, from the boot perspective, you come in from the skate perspective, and I think that's why this works really well, because Jamie's been really, really cool about us like being willing to accept any of our pitches. Like, what if we do a gusseted tongue? What if we do this? What if we do that? What if we put the Rose Anvil logo on everything? You know?
Oh, I forgot one more thing. We got Rose Anvil on the back heel
Oh,
tab.
okay. So many Rose Anvil logos. That's so
Just
sick.
the one. Oh no, there's two actually.
So yeah, it's a really cool project, because this is what I love doing. Is we could make a skate shoe and it could look like a Converse or Vans or anything like that. We could make another boot, but like this is a unique approach, and that's kind of like what we're doing in this video, is trying to figure out like how do we actually communicate this? Like what did we actually end up with now that we have the final sample? And I think that is what it is. Like we basically took the Danner mountain boot, the hole cut, the lace to toe, the big chunky laces, the utility of it, the height of it, the padded collar, and combined it with a skate shoe, which sounds so contradictory. And that's kind of why it's taken so long to get this figured out, and why we just barely got the final sample. Because when you do this kind of stuff where you're pushing the limits, you're trying something new, you're trying to do, like it's not like somebody hasn't done a similar shoe, but like our approach to it with this whole like mountain boot, like boot kind of inspiration really shaped this into not looking like the MTEs. Like the MTEs look like a cartoon caricature of like a skate shoe that's made for hiking. This actually works. Huge shout out to Jamie Thomas.
Yeah, he's doing a lot of heavy lifting. So.
Yeah, it's really, really cool to be able to work with these guys. And like I said, like he's been really cool about letting us actually be a part of the design and like taking our insane ideas and be like, you want a gusseted tongue on a sneaker? I'm like, yeah, give us the gusseted tongue, come on. You know, it's just been a really cool project, and like I said, it's mostly you that's done it. So thank you for making this deal possible, because honestly, the ASICS project, the New Balance project, the Warsaw projects are solely due to you. So thank you, Sam, for all your hard work. And we have a crew of 15 people that we like to work with every single day. It's literally a dream come true. So thank you, Sam. You're the man. Appreciate you. Now, accept my love. Any last words you have for Jamie or other guys you want to say thanks?
Shout out to Jamie Thomas. It's really weird to text him.
Right.
I'm texting Jamie Thomas right now.
Like, I don't know how to act around like cool people.
I don't know how to act around anybody. Everybody that I've met, I just come off like the biggest goober. But
I think that's what everyone thinks.
Deep down.
I think everyone thinks they're a goober, and everyone outside of themselves assumes everyone else is not a goober, when in all reality, the world is run by goobers.
Yeah.
We're all goobers.
You gotta embrace the cringe.
That's right. Fine. But these drop November 5th.
So they come out November 5th. I think
It's a Wednesday.
A Wednesday.
You know, usually we launch on Thursdays, but we got the Drifter launch on that Thursday. But these are such limited quantities, only 350 available. We wanted to launch them as soon as we could to get them to your hands before Christmas. And so that's why we're launching on a Wednesday. So get ready for the launch, November 5th. Get on the limited edition email list, because you're going to get early access. Are we doing early access on this?
I think so, yeah.
More than likely early access, but more importantly, like before they sell out, you'll be not just make sure you guarantee a pair if you're on that early access list, link below, but you'll also get the sizing guide. You'll also get first access. So basically what I'm getting at is the sooner you order, the sooner you get your shoes. So if you want to buy Christmas, order as soon as you can, and being on that list will help you get your order in sooner.
Truth.
Is there anything else I didn't cover about the launch?
They ship November 17th.
Okay.
They're $150,
All
I
right.
think, which I'm pretty sure is the cheapest collab ever. So
It probably is actually, huh?
I feel like these are gonna go pretty fast. So being on that list really
There's
helped.
only 350.
Yeah, they're like, we'll cover it in the main video.
That's part of why I was like, I don't mind gushing about this, because like there's only 350 available anyway.
No, it's crazy. There's supposed to be more, but they're too hard to make, which tells you
Yeah.
how cool they are.
Okay,
Round two.
Unboxing. Continued addendum. Because we forgot to do sizing. So, while Sam sits and watches me try this on, we'll try this on.
Good luck.
Because I'm a 10 on the Brannock. This is a size 10. Most shoes and like skate style sneakers and stuff, I usually wear like a 10.5 to 11. What's your Brannock and what do you wear?
I'm like a 9.5 on the Brannock. I wear 9.5s mostly in Warsaw, like especially if I'm going to skate them because I like them a little tighter.
Right.
I can wear 10s for sure. Like if I was not skating these, the 10 would probably be better. I usually say maybe go up half a size, maybe because there's leather on the inside. There's a big insole on the inside and it kind of like grabs your socks. But I'd go half size smaller if I want to skate them, or 10 if I'm just wearing them.
That seems right. Because this I'm a 10 on the Brannock. This is a size 10, and
They
my
look good.
I know, right? Bingo! Look how good this
They
is.
look sick. You're like the cooler Boy Scout.
Yes, finally, finally. So I think to me it kind of fits like every other sneaker I wear. Like if I was wearing these, if I wanted like a tighter, more athletic feel, I would go true to my Brannock size. If I was doing more casual, just wearing them around, I'd probably go 10.5. So basically just regular sneaker size as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, I'd say so.
So
They look really good. So.
okay, now we're officially done.
Ending part 2.
We did it.
There you go.